And welcome to everyone. In today's video, we will learn about Surrogacy Regulation Act 2021. This act has been very much in news in recent time. We will discuss almost everything about it in the short duration. So let us start. Before going to the provisions, let us know about the basic terms of the act. So first of all, what is surrogacy? So it is an arrangement in which a woman agrees to carry and give birth to a child on behalf of another person or a couple. In this scenario, the woman who carries and gives birth to a child is called as surrogate mother, and the another party is called as intended parents. There are two kinds of surrogacy. First one is altruistic. Under this, no monetary compensation is given to surrogate mother. In other words, if you say there is no involvement of the money or no money exchanges hands in altruistic surrogacy. Whereas under commercial surrogacy, it is undertaken for monetary rewards or benefits only. Now, provisions. Under this act, a woman who can be widow or divorcee between the age group of 35 to 45 years or a legal couple married for at least 5 years can avail altruistic surrogacy only if medical condition necessitates so. There are other conditions also, like they should not be having a living child or a surrogate child, or if they are having a child with physical or mental disabilities, fatal illness, or life threatening disorder. This act only allows altruistic surrogacy and bans commercial surrogacy, and the surrogate mother should be genetically related to the intended parents, or in other words, the intended parents should be close relative to the surrogate mother. Also, the surrogate mother should be married and having a child of her own and fall in the age group of 25 to 35 years. Now, eligibility. So, single men are not eligible. Single women, that can be either widow or divorcee, between the age group of 35 to 45 years are eligible. Single and married women are also not eligible. The legal couple married for at least 5 years are eligible for this. The live-in couples are not eligible, and also the LGBTQ community are also not eligible for altruistic surrogacy. A woman can be a surrogate mother only once in her lifetime according to this act. The aim of this act to curb the unethical practices related to the issues such as sex selection and exploitation of surrogate mothers. This act also have some issues, like it reinforces patriarchal norms of the society that attributes no economic values for women's work. It also affects fundamental right to reproduce secured under Article 21 of the Constitution. There are also chances of emotional complications during and after the altruistic surrogacy, as the surrogate mother and the intended parents are close relative, so there are chances that surrogate mother may feel emotional attachment with the baby during and after the surrogacy, and there may be chances of the emotional complication in the future. Also, it bans commercial surrogacy, thus ultimately denying legitimate income to willing mothers. Also, this act provides that there will be no third party involvement in this, so there may be chances of disputes, like who will bear the medical expenses or insurance, etc. So there are chances that these disputes may arise. Also, if you see overall, it denies children to couple and the person who are choosing to embrace parenthood, as it denies children to single men, also single women, and live-in couples and LGBTQ community. So this act basically denies parenthood to persons who are choosing to embrace parenthood. Overall, if we see, this act is a welcome step in the Indian context, but with the upgrading or the enhancing demand and the upgraded technology, this act should be able to address the following challenges and should try to improve or address the issues which are related to this act. So this is all. If you like the video, then please press the like button. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.